What up, what up? So today we got a Doosan. It is a D35S-7 with a no start, so we're gonna start out by checking our battery voltage. We have 12.8, so the battery voltage should be good. Let's see what it does whenever we turn the key. So when I turn the key, we get just a click. So let's check the starter. Giving the starter a little tap works. Nope. Alright, so after inspecting the wiring, we have a broken wire. Let's get it on there and see if that solves our issue. Got the wire on with the new end. Let's see if she runs. That's it. Thanks.